Close your eyes for one breath. Picture a quiet apartment, soft light, a playlist that makes your heart push a little faster. Two people close, not a movie scene, a small electric experiment. Tonight's lab, the art of riding, and the thrill of turning away. She climbs up, not timid, not hurried.
Deliberate. In the sitting position,
She faces him, eyes meet, hands find shoulders, hips find rhythm. This is Cowgirl. Control, intimacy, a private conversation in motion. She decides the tempo. He watches every tiny change in her face. He can guide with a hand on her hip, a whisper in her ear, or keep still and surrender to the view. That choice is sexy. Control becomes play. Power becomes shared. A quick, useful trick. Small, steady circles with the hips are like a tuning fork. Start slow. Listen to breaths. Tilt the pelvis forward to press different parts of the inside. A subtle tilt can change the whole map of sensation. Leaning forward brings you into deeper eye contact and can function. Increase pressure at a spot that many people find intensely pleasurable. Sit up tall and bounce lightly to change from surface to depth. Use your hands on his chest for balance, on his thighs for speed, or reach between for extra attention, exactly where you both like. Now imagine she turns and the room reorients. Reverse Cowgirl, she faces away. The visual is cinematic, the view is different. The angle is different. He sees her back, the line of her neck, the sway of her hips. She sees his face mostly in reflection or not at all, and that absence can feel deliciously free. Here, she controls not just pace, but mystery. From this position, you can experiment with rocking backward and forward, grinding or slow, arching the back to change pressure. Small shifts make big differences. Practical tip, use a pillow under his hips to change angle. That tiny lift can turn a so-so angle into a direct hit. Swap the pillow in and out and notice which spot lights up. Tilt, test,
and ask. Communication can be a single word.
faster, less, hand, or a thumb. Consent is sexy because it keeps both people safe and curious. Feel the mix of visual and touch. In Cowgirl, look into each other's eyes and let intimacy deep. In reverse, enjoy the visual spectacle and let vulnerability become bold. Both positions give great access for hands. His hands can cup thighs or travel up the spine. Her hands can anchor or roam. For extra clitoral attention, add a hand or a toy. A gentle, steady touch at the rim can multiply sensations without breaking rhythm. Don't be shy to combine motion. Small circles with the hip, a finger tracing a line, a soft kiss to the shoulder. Safety and comfort matter. Use lubricant if things feel dry. It makes motion smoother and more pleasurable. If you're using condoms, check compatibility with lube and any toy. Take breaks, change the angle. Try switching between slow and fast in the same song. Surprise is a language of its own. Play with roll and power. Cowgirl invites eye contact, teasing talk, flirtation. Reverse Cowgirl invites a confident back turned, the thrill of being won, or enjoying anonymity.
Try whispering directions or soft praise.
Try silent. Try clapping your hand on his chest for a beat, then a laugh. The tiny theatrical moments create memory. Curiosity exercise. Spend 5 minutes in Cowgirl, 5 in reverse, and take notes internally or later aloud. Which felt close and intimate? Which felt wild and free? Where did pressure feel best? Where did you want more? This little experiment builds vocabulary. You learn one another's mouth. End with aftercare. Slow the pace. Collapse into a tangle. Hold hands. Drink water. Talk about what you like. Learning together is the sexiest part. It turns a moment into a map you can return to. Ride, rotate, tilt, listen, and always ask. Tonight is practice. Tomorrow, you will know one another a little better. And each shift of the hips becomes a sentence in a private conversation that only the two of you can write.